Всем привет, с вами Серега, добро пожаловать на канал. Сегодня в ремонте планшет Samsung S6 Lite, он же SM-P610. Погнали! Планшет разбирается через модуль дисплея. Процесс усложняется тем, что нельзя использовать спирт, так как дисплей выполнен по технологии TFT, то есть использование подсветки, при залитии которой могут образоваться пятна на подложке. Для начала планшет необходимо прогреть, подойдет сепаратор или воздушная станция фен. Необходимо аккуратно прорезать скотч, сильно углубляться нельзя. Также нельзя тянуть или выгибать дисплей, так как стекло довольно хрупкое. Лучше еще раз прогреть планшет. Дальше рассмотрим ускоренное снятие дисплея под музыку.
Let's go. Moving silent, feel the violence, the excitement, I know the assignment, I'm taking over, I'm sick of mediocre, I'll be the closer, I got a different motor, I got a mission to win it, some ammunition to get it, don't need permission to finish, got an addiction that's gripping, got some convictions I'm living, once I'm committed, I'm in it, got a prediction, I'm winning, They're the pure bloods, I'm the hybrid, they hate change, so they try to push and fight it, I stay steady, yeah, I've always been defiant, up against the beast, yeah, I'm up against a giant, but now I'm gunning for their heads, and I will die with no regrets, this season come to an end, I'm seeing all red, and now the king is dead. And now the king is dead. And now the king is dead. Welcome to the new regime. We do what we want, yeah, we do anything. Took everything to extreme, cause we were suppressed when we had big dreams. Yeah, it's a new machine, all our energy coming from caffeine. No pain, morphine, this our world now, we the kings and queens. They're the pure bloods, I'm the hybrid, they hate change, so they try to push and fight it. I stay steady, yeah, I've always been defiant, up against the beast, yeah, I'm up against a giant. But now I'm gunning for their heads, and I will die with no regrets. This season come to an end, I'm seeing all red, and now the king is dead. And now the king is dead.
После снятия дисплея проверяем, что планшет выключен, и отсоединяем шлейф дисплея.
And now the king is dead. You can't stop me, I'm a problem. I can feel my adrenaline calling. Blood pumps as my form starts evolving. Better watch out or I'll put you in a coffin. You can't stop me, I'm a problem. I can feel my adrenaline.
Откручиваем все винты по периметру и поддеваем внутреннюю рамку. Все, планшет разобран. Можно соединить клемму АКБ.
Adrenaline calling. Blood pumps as my form starts evolving. Better watch out or I'll put you in a coffin. You can't stop me, I'm a problem. I can feel my adrenaline calling. Blood pumps as my form starts evolving. Better watch out or I'll put you in a coffin. Tough times I've been going through, some tough times and I'm overdue. A good sign, maybe something new, some good times, give me any clue. Cause I don't wanna be left over, I just wanna know how it feels to have closure. Tough times I've been going through, some tough times I've been going through. I feel like something's missing, my life's a little dull, think I have a condition. Everything I do, I just feel like I'm existing. I'm in a bad mood and there ain't no point resisting. My mind is on a mission to make me feel different. I don't wanna listen, but it's hard when it's persistent. Darkness is gripping, quicksand sifting. I've been sinking into this pit for a minute. Tough times I've been going through, some tough times and I'm overdue. A good sign, maybe something new, some good times, give me any clue. Cause I don't wanna be left over, I just wanna know how it feels to have closure. Tough times I've been going through, some going through some tough times, and I'm overdue a good sign, maybe something new.
Чтобы наклеить дисплей, можно использовать клей B7000 или аналогичный. Я же удаляю все остатки скотча и использую оригинальный скотч для проклейки модуля. Ну и собственно все. Разборка планшета завершена. Всем спасибо за просмотр, удачи. Ставьте лайки, подписывайтесь на канал. И всем пока.
Cause I don't wanna be left over. I just wanna know how it feels to have closure. Tough times I've been going through. Some tough times I've been going through. Tough times I've been going through. Some tough times that I'm overdue. A good sign, maybe something new. Some good times, give me any clue. Cause I don't wanna be left over. I just wanna know how it feels to have closure. Tough times I've been going through. Tough times I've been going through. I gotta stay awake, stay alive. It's all on me to find a way to make it in life. Have to believe or else the pain will take all the fight right out of me. So I just lay awake, late at night, thinking of things that I could do to make progress. It's all in the process, train the subconscious. That shit works, I promise. So take what you need, no breaks, hit the speed. Don't save anything, don't waste all you could be. I'll do it right, I'll do it wrong. I'm gonna fight, I can be strong. I wanna fly before I'm gone. I'm feel the blood in my chest, let it pump until I'm dead. I wanna feel alive, I've got this inner drive. Ain't working 9 to 5, I'll be working 9 to 9. I'm living double lives, I work hard in the light, then rocking late at night. I'll live like this until I die.